Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to manually check an examination sheet online. So first of all, we will move to the team where the answer sheets are stored. For example, class 12C half yearly examinations. We'll go to the examination team. Since the papers are in the assignment section, go to the assignment section, which is under the general tab. So this is the paper. Now we go to the student's sheet which we want to check. We click on it and the child's work appears here. This is the answer sheet of the child. There are three dots beside the file here. Click on them and choose the download option. Click on download. The file will be downloaded in the download section. You can either download all the files of the students one by one or copy them by moving in this manner. Once the file is downloaded, we go to the download section. Now this is the file which has been downloaded. Right click on it and go to open with option. In open with option, choose Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a browser which comes with your Windows. So simply click on it and the sheet will open in the Edge browser where you can check it manually. There are various options here. We can use a draw tool here. Click on draw. There will be a color palette. Click on the color of your choice and a pen will appear here. Now you can check it the way you would check in the classroom. You can also give remarks using this. We can use a mouse, we can also use a pen. Right now I'm using a mouse. Now once you have checked the entire document, the entire answer sheet, you can also save it. But before that, suppose if you have made a mistake, we can go to the erase option and erase the marks. Give the marks of your choice. Suppose I want to give 2.5 here, so I can give 2.5. Once you have done this, we can save the sheet. To save the sheet, you simply have to click on the save button here. This is a save as button if you want to save the file with some other name, but that would occupy more space, so it's better to simply click on the save button. Once you've clicked on the save button, the same file has been saved which you were checking. When you click on it, you can see the paper has been checked. Now you can distribute the sheets to the students in two ways. Either make a folder of all the sheets like this and upload the folder to Teams. You can upload the folder to Teams, your class Teams which you use generally for teaching. Go to class, click on the attach button or go to files and upload. It's better to upload the paper of your subject in your own channel. So you can go to chemistry channel because it is a chemistry paper. Go to files and upload. Once you click on upload, you will have a choice of files or folder. You can click on the folder option and you can click on the folder which you want to upload and the folder will be uploaded. Now these entire papers will be available to all the children who will be able to see their own paper. It's advisable for the children to save the PDF in their own name. The second option would be you can show the or you can post the individual paper to each child using the class notebook option. The class notebook option comes here in the general tab. Click on class notebook. Choose the child whom you want to give the paper to. Once you've chosen the child you want to give the paper to, click on that child's name and you can give the paper in any of these sections. I go to handouts, I can write over here, maybe I can write here examination sheet and insert the file of the child. That means insert the paper of the child whose paper you want to show. Go to the insert option and go to the file option. Insert an attachment. Choose file from your system and insert it. So in this way, the paper will be given to individual children and they can see their own paper only.